Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see what is Burp Suite, how we can set up Burp Suite on our local environment for security analysis and penetration testing. So let's begin the video. So here in Kali Linux we can find the Burp Suite in under the applications, and here we have web application analysis. In the top we have Burp Suite, or you can just simply open the terminal and type in Burp Suite. Let's just ignore it for the now. Let's update later, and then here we are using the temporary project. Next, and then start Burp Suite. So this Burp Suite is basically for the penetration testing and security analysis to scan all the packets that are being transferred from our system to the website, and we can interrupt those packets and see what is the data that is being transferred, and we can also intercept those data. Now to set up this Burp Suite, we need to open the Firefox and do some configurations. Let us before that check the configurations in this Burp Suite. Just go to proxy, and here we have options. Just check it here. We are having the local host, that is 127.0.0.1, and the port is 8080 on which it will listen. We can edit this. We can also use all interfaces, or let for now it be loopback only. And here we have our local host. We can also use some other IP addresses also. So now for now let's open the Firefox. Here we need to go to these three lines, then preferences. Now just go to the bottom, and here we can see network proxy. Go to settings, and then currently we have no proxy. To use the Burp Suite, we need to have some manual proxy, so that whatever our data is transferring from our system to that website on which we visit, that will go through the Burp Suite. So here we will set up the manual proxy configurations, and here we will have, I default have this local host. For you also it must be this only, and here we can either use some other ports or let it be the same port. And here just check it that the SOX host is SOX version 5. Now click on OK. Now currently if I visit any HTTP website, let it be like this local website, as you can see the page is loaded. But if we go to this proxy, and under proxy we go to intercept, currently the intercept is on. Now let us try. Or let's just visit to google.com. Here it is taking lot of time to reload. Let's check the Burp Suite. Here we can see the interceptor was on, so that's why we got this packet. And here in this HTTP request we can see the user details such as the browser and the operating system and all. Now either we can forward packet one by one, or we can just turn off the intercept. And here we can see the web page is loaded. But in your case, this might not load because we just set the configurations. So currently we can only visit the HTTP websites, but to visit the HTTPS websites, we also need to add a burp suite certificate, which we can find it on HTTP burp. Here you can see we have this button CA certificate. Just click on this and it will take very less time to download, as it is a very light file. Once it is downloaded, as we can see, this is downloaded in our downloads folder. So what we need to do is we need to upload this certificate. In the preferences, go to privacy and security, and here in the bottom you can see we have certificates options. Here just click on view certificates. In the authorities we can see all the certificates that are currently there, and here we need to import our new certificate, which is burp suite certificate. Just click on import, and from here select the certificate which we have currently downloaded. So in my case, I have already uploaded this certificate, so that's why I am able to access the HTTPS website as well. But in your case, you need to upload this certificate. Now we can check in the interceptor. If our interceptor is on, we can check whenever we visit any website, the request will first comes in burp suite, and here we can see the request, HTTP request, or we can also change this HTTP request if we want to do something malicious with that website. But for now, let's do till this only. Here we have lots of various other options as well, which is really very beneficial for penetration testing and security analysis, such as in HTTP history we can see all the websites we have visited. We have the call of those methods and the URL which we have requested for, and various other options such as IP address also, and the port it was listening on. We can also set up this burp suite in the Windows as well. All we need to do is just go to the browser and type in burp suite for Windows, and in the first link we can find download burp suite. Here just click on download, and then from here you can choose the operating system distribution which you have, like 64-bit or Linux or Mac. So in our case, if we want to download for Windows, click on Windows and then download it. It will take few moments to download, and just like the other softwares we download and install, in the same way we can install this burp suite as well, as I have already downloaded it. So from here I can just open this software, and now go to next, and here you can choose where you want to store this software. Then just simply click on next. Now click on finish, and now we can open that burp suite. Similar way we can also configure this burp suite as we did in our Kali Linux. So this was a quick overview of burp suite, and it is really very much useful in the penetration testing. If you really like this video, please do hit a like button, and if you have any query you can ask in the comment section. To support to our channel, you can subscribe to our channel for more such contents.